Hello, my name is Bashir Kassir. I am the founder of NetU. NetU.ai empowers networking groups, community builders, and event organizers to seamlessly create, manage, and monetize their network. It is perfect for professional associations, business networking groups, alumni group, trade show organizers, government and trade organization, and nonprofit groups that run recurring events and manage active member community. Organizers have access to multiple monetization tools, including a group membership plan, event ticket sales, sponsorship packages, exhibition opportunities, and donation. These plans can be structured as a one-time fee or recurring subscription model, giving you flexibility to grow predictable revenue from your network. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to create a networking group, set up a monetization plan if needed, and launch events. When you first go to NetU, this is the screen that you will see. You have the opportunity to log in using Google or LinkedIn or create an account. And I already created an account, so I'm going to go ahead and show you the example. This is an example group that I created earlier, but what I'm going to do right now is create a group completely from scratch. I'm going to click, I can go to my dashboard here if I want to, or I can simply click on add a group. So I'm going to go click add a group in here. I want to make sure my group is private. I'm going to click on continue, and then I'm going to put the group information. Let's call it maybe New York Biz Network, for example. And the profile name can be edited, and this is where you can put a little bit information. Here is my group info, and then I can put here is my summary, and so on. Now we'll go over this later to show you how you can also edit that group. I'm gonna click on continue. You can add a couple of tags. Maybe I'm gonna call it B2B or New York networking. I'm gonna click on add. I'm gonna click on location. Maybe I'm gonna say New York as my location, and I'm gonna create a group. Now it is that simple to create a group. Now the next step is maybe you wanna load a group logo or a group banner. So basically the way here it say congratulations. Let me go quickly add a group logo and a group banner. So I'm gonna go to the images here, click on my logo area, and I'm gonna click upload a new logo, and I'm gonna go to document in here, go to Camtasia project, and go to Camtasia here, and I'm gonna select maybe logo here, and I can scale it down to fit my logo area, and I'm gonna click on save, and now I'm gonna go select my banner. So I'm gonna go click on edit my group. I'm gonna click on images, and I'm gonna select a banner, and let me go. I have previously created some banners, so let me load one of them. I'm gonna call it maybe New York skyline. And then I'm gonna click on upload. I can kind of adjust the image as needed, and I'm gonna click on upload and save right now. And so what we just did is we created a group, we added a banner, we added a logo, and now this is my group. So if I want to see the info on my group, I can go here, and I have some very, very basic info. Let's say now you're ready to add some content to your group. You simply go click on admin. I'm gonna click edit the group info. Let's say here I want to add a picture to my group, and you can add picture, you can add images, video, whatever. But let's go say here, and you can upload to your gallery different thing. I'm gonna select maybe this image, and I'm gonna click on save. And now I saved the information in here, and so now I have my data. And if I click on about right now, as you can see, I have an image in here. Now, how to create, you can make your group as just a regular networking group to connect people together and businesses together. It doesn't have to be a paid group. And for that purpose, I'm gonna show you how to create a paid group as well and add maybe some sponsorship. But I'm gonna show you an example of a group. Maybe that's another group. Maybe this group here is Frederick Chamber of Commerce. And notice here, once you add a group, you can join the group and you can have member networking between group. And very, very powerful function. You can, once you, in this particular, this is just a demo group. It has a limited number of members, maybe about 30 members. And I can, maybe I want to see a map view. So where my members are scattered, they could be in any geographic region, globally or locally. So for now, I'm like scrolling. One of them is in the Vegas area, and there are some into different areas scattered across USA, and you can even scatter across the world if they happen to be there as well. And so let's go exit the map view right now. And let's say here you can, when you create a group, you could also have categories. So when a member join your group, they can put themselves in one or multiple bucket. And I could be, for example, in real estate. I could be in food and beverage. I could be in healthcare and so on. So, and each member, when they join, they have the choice to put themselves. This will help in between member networking and so on. And let's go back to the member area. And let's say I wanna, I'm a member here and I wanna filter. I can of course filter by territory as well, but maybe I wanna filter now by category, or I can put a tag in here as well. Let's say I'm looking for some tax service provider. I can go and see, okay, there are 3 members, and I can change between list view or grid view. And once I have a 3 member here, maybe I'm interested maybe in this member in here. I'm gonna click view profile. I can view a summary of the profile here. And if I like it, I can say, okay, let me view the full company profile. And each member can have their full profile about who they are and so on. And let's say here I'm interested to contact, in this case, Josh. I'm gonna click on maybe message. So I can send Josh a message, say, hey, I'm interested in your products and or services. Maybe I can also request a quote here. And this is where I can say, hello, Josh, and so on, and send. And I can also video chat with the person if needed as well. And I can maybe create a private note. This is my own note. And I click on add a note. I can add note. I can add a voice note or add a picture. And these notes are saved for my own matter to help me in my networking and so on. I can also have maybe a watch list, and I can create a watch list, say maybe interesting companies to contact, for example, and then you can create, and then you can add different members in here. These are private watch lists. This is for your own networking reason, basically. And anyway, I can follow in this case Tech Alley, and then I can also once I follow Tech Alley, if they have any news, I get updated in my timeline on that news. I can also see the latest post this company did and so on. And but let's go back to here right now, and then I'm gonna go back to the new group we just created, which is New York Biz Network. So let's say we're gonna monetize this group. What do? We go to the admin area, and it's very easy. We can say enable membership plans, and there are different membership plans. So let's say here I'm gonna enable a subscription plan, or you can enable a one-time plan. So let's say here I'm gonna enable subscription plan and say, okay, to join my network, again, you don't have to charge money for your member. You might want to have completely free members, but of course it's private. You have to approve them to join the group. And now I'm gonna create monthly price. So maybe say, okay, to join my network, you have to pay $5 a month. And maybe I wanna put to join my the whole year, you just pay $50 and you can join my network. This is as simple as that. Now I monetized my network, and let's go back here. And you can also create a one-time plan. Maybe you wanna give a trial for $1. They can join the first month just to see if they like it. You can easily do that. Now, in addition to member monetization, you can also create a sponsorship plan. And let's say here I'm going to create a sponsorship plan. And sponsorship plan, similarly, you can create a subscription, or you can create a one-time plan. Maybe when somebody want to sponsor your group for only 1 month, for example, you can set it up here. Let's go here, set it up. Maybe they want to sponsor it on a regular basis. Then this is where they can, you can add a sponsorship plan. And maybe also you need to limit the number of plans. So for example, I'm gonna say gold sponsors, and then you can say gold sponsors, and you can say, okay, there's only 5 spots available for this, and maybe the rank is the highest rank. I'm gonna put number 1, and you can also publish this plan. I'm gonna create, because you could create and publish it later. I'm gonna create a plan. So now I created a plan in here. You could create multiple plan as well for sponsorship. And now I wanna set up the pricing for this plan. I'm gonna click on edit price, and sorry, I wanna put here, wanna click on add a price here. And when I click on add a price, maybe to sponsor the gold sponsor, maybe they will pay $25 to be gold sponsor. I'm gonna click on add a price. It is very, very simple. And maybe if somebody wanna sponsor the whole year, you might wanna say, okay, if you wanna sponsor the whole year, you pay $99. And you can of course set up description for the price. I'm gonna click on add a price, and now I have my plan in here. It is very simple, and I'm gonna show you also from the perspective of a non-member how they can sponsor your group. as well. Right now I'm logged in as an administrator. Let's say here I want to also create exhibition packages. So maybe for your event you have a place to have 10 tables available to do the exhibition. And then you can create a one-time plan or subscription plan. It works exactly the same. You could also enable donation for your group. Maybe you can create different denomination for the donation. So that's kind of a very high level on. So this is, we just created a group almost in no time. And let's say here I am, I'm gonna log in as somebody else right now. So I logged in as another user, as a non-administrator. And because I am not an administrator, this is what I would see in here and say, okay, well, I am interested to join this group. And because if we did not set up a pricing, they can click on join and then you have to approve them. But because we set up pricing, it's telling you, oh, this is a premium plan. And once you set up premium plan, you see here, okay, say, okay, I'm gonna select this option. And then I'm gonna simply pay either using my credit card or my wallet. Now, you as an administrator, you could give somebody a coupon code as well. So let me go back right now to my login as an administrator and very quickly show you how easy it is to add a coupon code. And if I'm gonna go to here, I go to my billing area in my dashboard, and I'm gonna say, okay, I'm gonna create a coupon code and create a code. Say, okay, maybe I wanna give $5 off. So let's say here $5 off, for example. And you can put whatever description in here, and you can say 100% off, or you can make fixed amount. In this case, we're gonna put just $5 fixed amount. And how many available? If you leave empty, is unlimited, but sometimes you say, okay, only the first 10 they can get this coupon. And you can say when this expire, and if there's no expiration, you just leave it empty. But you might say, okay, this offer valid till the end of the month, for example, this coupon and so on. But anyway, I'm gonna create the coupon, and when I go, you can select people these coupons so they can do checkout. So what right now I'm gonna do here is go back to my group. And so I'm gonna go to my group in here, and I'm gonna go open the group again, the New York Biz Network group. And once I open the group, let's create our first event. Right now I'm gonna click on the event. I'm gonna show you also how very, very easy to create an event. So I'm gonna say create my first event, and my first event name is maybe called Meet and Greet, and and then so once I do that, it automatically generates a profile name for that event. Again, you can put any description, Meet and Greet event, and again you can add rich media in here. So let's say here I'm gonna add maybe the same image I did before, just for the sake of example, and you can add any tag so your event is visible on the global network. So maybe I'm gonna add New York networking, for example, and then I'm gonna click on add. And now I'm gonna click on next. I'm gonna say select location. Maybe I wanna select this event is in New York City, and I'm gonna click in here, and just gonna say you can be specific on the address for now, but for now I just put in general where the event is located. It's very important section right now is you can create schedule for your event. Your event could be one day or multi-day event, could have different venues and so on. So this is where you can easily create as a venue for your event. So short description, like maybe it could be meet, maybe I'm gonna call it hall, main hall event or whatever. And then this is where you can put your agenda. You can put 9 a.m. registration or whatever you wanna do. You can put agenda is here. And you can put the time zone. And let's say this event happened on maybe Monday, February 2nd. And it's a one-day event, but you can make it multi-day event. So I'm gonna do here, maybe it starts at 4 o'clock in the afternoon and it ends at 8 o'clock, for example, in the afternoon, and so on. So, and then I'm gonna create the schedule right now. And once I create the schedule, now I can add the ticket price. And again, let's say I'm gonna do very quick example. You can say, oh, it's a free to join this event, and you can put limited number of quantity again if you want. But let's say here I'm gonna say 100 people can come in, and you can put the time zone if you really want to, and you can also you can signify when sale can start. So say, okay, can start today, this, and when it's gonna end. So maybe we're gonna make it end on let's say on Thursday, the 30th of this month. And the start time and time is okay. Yes, no problem here. You can put whatever start and end time, and then I'm gonna create my first ticket. So my first ticket is a free ticket, and now I'm gonna create another ticket. Maybe you say, okay, well, it's $10 to if you do. It's $10 if you do here we're gonna put 0 here, free, and create ticket. Okay, and oh, I didn't put the name of the ticket name. We can say early bird registration. And say early bird registration, and I'm gonna create my ticket. So I just created my first ticket. I'm gonna add maybe one more price here on another ticket. So I'm gonna say, okay, well, if you register a few days before the event, and again, you can put number of quantity, again, it's optional if you want to. And you can say, okay, well, if you register maybe from the 31st till the 2nd, the price of the ticket now jumped to maybe $15, for example, or $10. And so now we can create a ticket. And oh, I need to fill out here regular registration, and now I'm gonna click on create a ticket, and now I created 2 tickets. Now, of course, I need to publish those tickets. So let me, I don't think I did publish it. So let me go click on edit those tickets, and then you need to click on publish, save, change, and let me click on the second one here, edit ticket, and let me publish that as well. And I'm gonna go to here, click publish and save. So now I'm gonna publish my event, because you could prepare it and publish it later, but let's say I'm gonna publish my event right now. And let me also add a banner for this event. So I'm gonna click on edit, and I'm gonna click on upload a banner, upload a new, and I have meet and greet event banner. It's just an example, and I'm gonna click on save. So now I have a banner for my event. I'm gonna say save details, and so on. So now I go back to my detail. So this is my, I don't know why it did not save here. Edit event and upload, or maybe I didn't click on save a banner, but upload a new and meet and greet in here, and save. I need to click on save banner. I forgot to do that. And so right now I have my event ready, and it's already published. So because my event is published right now, I can, let's say, log in as a separate another user, and I'm gonna go to here, and I'm gonna go to my detail event, and say, okay, I'm gonna attend my event. And when I attend my event, it's showing me what tickets available. I'm gonna click on get the ticket, and it shows that there is 2 types of registration available. This is gonna be in the main hall, and you can see regular registration or early bird registration. And I'm gonna click in here, and then I'm gonna register for free. Now, once I register for this event, I can confirm. And by the way, people can register to your event. They don't have to be part of your group, and you can send a quick invite to your member to join your event. And now, because of this, I have received an email that saying that I have registered for the event, and it telling me to this is kind of the email, your event access request confirmation, and I can view my ticket in here. And once I view my ticket, I can use that ticket to do on the check-in QR code for that event. And as an organizer, let me go back to maybe as a administrator. So let me go back as an administrator and go back to my I can have access to advanced statistics for the event and the group. So that conclude our quick demo, and we'll be generating many more of these demo later.